आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So this is our question where we are told that two observers due north and due south of a launch pad sight a rocket at 10 kilometers height. Assume that curvature of earth is negligible and rocket is perpendicular to the ground. How far apart are two observers if their angles of elevation to the rocket are 80.5 and 68 degrees? Both these values are in degrees. So let us first understand what this question is saying. If first we will explain just the diagrams once, the direction. We can assume something as such where this is north, this is south, the west, the east. This is just some directions so that it's easier to understand. So now let us say this is the rocket which is at height of 10 kilometers above the ground. So this is the ground and it is a height 10 kilometers. They've also told us that the rocket is perpendicular to the ground. Now they're saying that there is observers north and south. Let us name this point as C and this point as A and this point as B. They're saying that there are two observers that are standing as such with their angles of elevation at 80.5 degrees and 68 degrees. We can interchange the values of these angles as it won't make a difference to the final answer, as we have to find the distance between these A and B. So if it was inverted, this triangle, the distance would still be the same. So now assume we have such a triangle. Now since this is a right angle triangle, if we name if we take tan of 80.5, we would get the perpendicular to the angle divided by the adjacent of the angle, as tan is equal to perpendicular side by adjacent side. This is with respect to the angle. So tan theta. So tan of 80.5 would be equal to 10 divided by BC. Also tan of 68 degrees would be nothing but 10 by AC, because here this is the perpendicular side and this is the adjacent side. So we can write this as BC is equal to 10 by tan of 80.5 degrees and AC equal to 10 by tan of 68 degrees. Now notice how AC plus BC is nothing but the distance between the observer. So distance between observers is AC plus BC, which is 10 by tan 68 degrees plus 10 by tan 80.5 degrees. So if we were to calculate this in a calculator, remember that you should always while calculating trigonometric functions, if their values is in degree, change it to degrees in your calculator, and if it is in radians, change it to radians in your calculator, we would get this value as 5.71 kilometer, as this is 10 kilometer. So option C is correct and we select that.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।